Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Oldsmobile 442 convertible with the optional L75 455 cubic inch V8 and the optional W25 ram air hood, and also had the turbo 400 transmission with the Hurst dual gauge shifter and bucket seats with the console, the rally pack gauges, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and the special thing about it, it's a one owner family. The owner now, his stepfather, purchased a car brand new off the lot in Bridgeport, Connecticut in 1972, and his mother gave him the car as a high school graduation present in 1979, and it was restored 25 years ago with the original paint colors. And this was the last year for that Oldsmobile made a convertible on the Cutlass Supreme model. So the current owners, as he says on his sign, he's been happily driving it for 42 years and counting. And it was definitely a great looking car and a great story that they kept it in the family. I don't find too many more of these one family owned cars anymore. They're starting to get pretty rare. As the prices go up, people decide to sell them and then end up regretting it down the road. But this one I filmed in my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a good looker, that's for sure. As far as the numbers go, 1972 being the last year for that body style, the 68 to 72 model years were that body style, that generation. And as far as the numbers go, I found a couple of different numbers on the internet, so I'm not sure which ones are accurate. And as I usually say with the numbers, take them with a grain of salt because they're not cast in stone. So it's just the numbers that are on the internet. So take them for what you will. But the one mentions that they made 1,041 Cutlass Supreme convertible 442s, which was the W29 package that year in 72. And out of that, 113 were W30s. So those are pretty rare. The other one that I have mentions that there were 1,171 442 convertibles. Neither one of them mentions how many of them had the L75, the optional 455 engine, which this one has. So I'm going to guess it's somewhere probably 200 or 300. I would guess somewhere in that range is what they made. They're pretty rare no matter how you slice it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1972 Olds 442 convertible with the L75 455 cubic inch V8, the W29 442 package, turbo 400 transmission with the Hurst dual gauge shifter, rally pack gauges, bucket seats, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, the W25 ram air hood, and most importantly, owned by one family its whole life. So that's a beauty. But anyway, thanks for watching if you made it to the end. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.